Hey there! In this video I'm gonna show you how to tie paracord zipper pulls. They can be used either to fix zippers or to decorate them. The first thing you need is a piece of paracord, which we're going to fold in half, and then we're going to make the basic starting position for the cross knot, which involves going over with the right cord, then under. This is the starting position, and then we take our vertical bottom cord and we're going to feed it through the back and through the top loop and then through the bottom. And this effectively ties our first cross knot, which we now need to tighten up. And as you can see, the loop is a bit too big at the top, so we're going to basically make it smaller by pulling out the excess cord. At this point, the zipper pull can be finished by simply cutting the cords, but I'm going to make us another cross knot to make it a bit longer. I find this to work better. So again, make the basic shape for the cross knot, pull the bottom cord through the top loop and then through the bottom loop, and this gives us the second cross knot, like this. And then we will need to pull out the cords between our two knots to make them sit next to each other, like this. And then we're simply going to retighten the knot a bit. Okay, that's it.